So this is the power of power rule. So in order to visualize this, we can give an example. So this is a 7 to the 2. What you're gonna do here is, what the law states us is this. That will be basically makes a dozen sense, because you know this here is you can and that will be equal to, and that will be equal to and that is equal to 7, 6, because will count these bases. It will be always equal to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.